This is my favorite drinking cup, especially for water. Drink water all day. I like this cup because it's insulated. It doesn't sweat when I have a cold drink in it. And it's basically water. But I have a water dispenser in my refrigerator. I never use it. Why? Because every time I use the water dispenser, I get lukewarm water out of it. I don't want to drink lukewarm water. So I keep bottled water in the refrigerator. It's cold. Well, I finally discovered I don't need to do that anymore. Because when I use, and by the way, this is a handle I made because mine broke off. When I use the water dispenser and I get lukewarm water out of it, all I have to do is fill this up about halfway, take the water, throw it in the sink, come back over to the refrigerator, and put water in it. Now that water is ice cold because I got rid of the warm water that's in the tubes in the refrigerator. Now I have cold drinking water. You know what that means? Don't have to buy bottled water anymore, and it gives me more room in the refrigerator. Now you say, oh well, you're wasting water. Well, hey, you know what? You're wasting water when you take a bath or you take a shower, but you're not wasting water if you buy bottled water for cold water because you're saving the money on the bottled water.